Hi, Melissa. How are you? I'm not hear you clearly. Are you hearing me? I think your mic is stopped. Hello. Just a minute. I'm not hearing you. You cannot mute unless someone else. I'm not hearing your mic. Just a minute. I'm not hearing you. Just a minute. I'll check my speaker. Yes, my speaker is on and it's working. It's not working. Can you see your headphone, or here have the option, the audio setting? You can check it here. It's turn off microphone, then you can work to this quickly. The audio settings, the audio icon. Miss Melissa,
Hello. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now?
yes, I hear you, but it's double for you are joining with me two video, that's why it's remark double. You can cancel.
Yes, my microphone on my computer is not working.
Oh, okay, okay, I understand.
But I will see you on my computer, and I thought I speak with you through my mobile. Okay.
Okay, no worries. I'm hearing you now clearly.
Okay.
So, Miss Melissa, what's the first thing? I ran for the 2 ad campaign. Basically, these both are for just gather some people with minimum cost. That's why I run 2 ads campaign. If I targeting the bot people, I understand that you are wasting the lots of money. So that's why I just run 2 ads campaign for gather some people. And this is for the click per impression based people. I mean, when somebody see your ads, and if anyone interested, they will click and we are get some people. So I targeted that the long time people. And as well as if I start the campaign for pay per view, Google have lots of audience and we are losing lots of money within a short time. Like every day, if we want to spend $50 or $100, Google can cut our money, but nobody are interested and come back for purchase our product. So that's why within 1 week, if we are get some people which are interested about that, then Google again recommended us, you get some people, now you can run the target CPA ads campaign, which is conversion ads campaign. Basically this is a strategy. You already spent $200 or hopefully $100 the last campaign. I saw that with the another expert.
Yeah, it's 200 reais actually, but it's like
Yes, but
$40.
but I have also mind that are you benefited with somebody also, nobody are purchase the product, and if somebody are product the purchase, your product is $177, so maybe you are not more than profitable, I hopefully, but until unless nobody are purchased that, am I right?
Okay. But so your strategy is to target very target people, and you are saying that it's not running like a lot of money because they are very target. Is that what you mean?
No, my strategy that I am set here the click per impression based people. I mean, Google will show our ads from targeted people, as like when somebody use our keyword on YouTube, they will see our ad. And for that reason, we are costing the money for minimum. We are minimum the costing.
Okay, I understand, but it looks like the campaign is not running.
Yes, I understand that. I can create another campaign, but when we create another campaign, that time Google understand that there is scammer, and they are very higher. And I saw you the last day I got 9 impression from one ads, because our ad was unapproved. When they are approved that ad, that's why we need to wait some days, 1 or 2 days. Okay, I understand that Google has a loss of scammer, but when you are creating again and again campaign and stopping that campaign, Google don't understand about your business, Google don't understand about your audience. That time Google make a problem, sometimes suspend the total, because every scammer do like that, again and again do campaign, again and again do pause this campaign. Here Google AI are working, so Google AI doing like that. That's why I am waiting for, let's see what's the going on. Okay.
So you think we have to wait a few more days
no
to?
no, this is the definitely going Google showing me one day where coming estimate the conversion showing one day. I show you that. And another thing, which is you tracking at the conversion tracking, that is fine, that is correctly. But when you want to do verify on Google AdWords, that is your purchase, that time need to do verify, need to go your website and do a purchase. When the purchase are complete, that time Google AdWords understand that, oh, this is your purchase. And after next, when somebody do the purchase the same way, I mean go your website and doing the fill up the form, payment, everything, and click on purchase version, that time Google also collected that or count that this is the purchase event for this user, I mean for this website user. Okay.
But the Google Tag Manager is installed correctly.
Google Tag Manager is a tag assistant which is very useful, and here we can get a data very quickly and understand. And as well as who is the another person who is working with that, he collect the tag from Google AdWords, I mean conversion tag, and set the tag on your website backend. Okay, he doing it also correctly, he doing it directly, and by the Google Tag Manager we are passing by Google Tag Manager. That's the same, but he do it directly, but Google Tag Manager we are set up the all tagging in Google Tag Manager assistant. So now is important is that we need to do purchase finally from your website through Google AdWords. I just show you that, just a minute, I just share my screen.